Hello. Yeah, this is honey-ringtail. Yeah, it works like normally. I thought my controller was busted, but I don't use slimes. Use my slimes. Green slimes. I only just started this recently. Well, didn't do much. Oh, area here. Got these slimes. And I got these. Wait, what slimes? Oh, it's a ringtail slime I got. Still have to. Actually, I should do that. That one's for there, so I should make a. Slimes are planning on merging. Crystal slimes. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and find some slimes to get with that person over there. Okay. I don't think I have it. Use many slimes. Okay, the goal is to get honey slimes. Honey slimes. So you can get. You know what you need? Their favorite food is. Hello, ponies. Pony, pony, pony. You're so funny with your little slime's tech. No, to go this way. I not? Oh, I didn't unlock the area. Swear I did, but it turns out I didn't. Okay, so goal is now to unlock the area with the slimes. So, there he is. There's the dude back there. So let me grab some veggies. Vegetables. There should be some. Good news is there should be some. Is this nearby? What's with those? Like, oh, it's empty. Must have been here recently and grabbed them. Oh, okay, okay. Could just go back. Oh, there's some. Some carrots. This should work okay. Leave us slime tools. Might get rid of this berry and collect some of the slime tools. Oh! Yoink. Should be able to sell them for some. Ole. Hey, damage! Right, get the. I got this. There it is. Hop. Should be able to go past these. Go here. Yeah. I'm running all the way back. Holy. Oh, that's shaky. Shaky ground. I should probably drop these off. There's a sports thing, there's a thing over here. That you get. Oh, it's dead. It's tabby slime, I think. Fat. Ah! And you, mister. It's gonna jump to it. And as these slimes, they jump towards you, which is kind of cute. I think also the hunter slimes do it as well. Hunter slimes. Swirls, also hunter slime. It's not really spoiled, this game's been out for a while. Also, it's not major spoilers at least. We got hear what it said. Oh. So I should be able to make a cut. There is a shortcut there, but I have to go all the ways around because I don't have the things yet. Thingy my bobs yet. Okay. Actually, the hunter slimes are all the way up there, but I don't have the jetpack yet. Hiya, good sir. Hiya. You spiky boy, you're gonna hurt me. Actually, the worst comment in the game is honestly not worse. You know, it's just rock slimes do terribly with the tabby or things. Also, I have feral slimes off, so this guy did. Oh, this guy hurts me still, but they won't charge after me. At least that's a positive side to that. Also, the tars off. I just haven't been able to really beat the game, so I thought it'd make it easier on me to beat the game. At least finish the game. Is there what? What's the okay? Some up there. Can I yoink it down? Let's go. I need a few more honey slimes. So yoink. Another yoink. Another yoink. Maybe 4 or 5 slimes. 5. Yeah, let's do 6. Actually 7. I didn't want to leave this other dude alone. Each slime should be fine to deal with. Well, there's another tabby slime. Should I save him? I may not have any other room, but if I can get to the thing before it's night time, I should be able to drop something and grab it. I got no one of these. So I should remember I have to put a UV shield on the steam thing. I'm gonna turn into bung. That you these Tanuki slime. What's the name of them? Tanuki. Just little chunks. They kind of look cute, but they're very annoying to deal with. So yeah. Hopefully I don't want too many honey falls in the future. Still holding this. It's fine. Hopefully I should be able to just TP home. Using my teleportation. Yeah. Where is it? Here it is. I made this earlier. Back home! No, where's the... Yeah, I didn't make a solar shield. You see the other ones that was in here, it's turned to... Do I have enough mole? Mole. Dudes. There they are. Okay. I just need to combine it. She should make a thing. Or I'm out of monies. Oh, I should. Yoink. I should. Just. Just put the thing. And quick, grab my shaker. And grab my shaker. Yeah, shake. I need to. Wait, are these full? These aren't full. I should try upgrading my farm soon. Just need to throw one of those in there. Let me make sure you eat it. You should poop out enough poop that. What else needed? It. Oh. Someone say that? What does this guy eat? Oh, I need. I actually need. Yeah. She needs them to. A good thing about it is I should be able to grab any food. Cause we can eat any. No, it's G. So grab veggies and then just feed those guys veggies. Feed them. From here. Are any of them? It's full. It's no longer gonna poop slowly. Teleport. Oh, these guys are fighting over the poop. It's funny to see. Fighting over the poop. I'm just gonna wait for them. Oh. Oh. Up. These full? Yeah, money. Oh, I can go 20. I didn't know how to operate this yet. So you can use some of this. So. Should be able to see these guys. Okay. Just need one more. Normal face. Should eat it. Someone eat it. Someone who can eat food, eat it. Thank you. Problem with these guys is they'll just continually eat food, but they won't stop pooping after a while. Okay. So I need to set up the food feeder. Okay. Drink my drink. I think I don't know. Wait, I need. Hang on, I have to reset. Okay. There's the gadgets. It's only radiant ore. Grab a radiant ore. We're sleeping. I thought we were doing a little side eye thing that these guys can like see. Side eye, side eye, side eye, side eye. So I need to do this and this. Give me the poop. Give me your poop. I not have any dudes in here. I don't have no one to feed either. Oops. Sure. Oh, let me just get the water feeder. Just check the little shop here. Yes. Oh, he's not. We should upgrade this place first, rather than. Do this. Should be able to. Yeah. The mangoes are like, yeah, come on, get in, get out of there. Yeah. Something right here. Can't pull out. Okay. You see what is that? Some of these guys. I should be able to. Okay. I got a message. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. So yeah. Okay, see ya.